in TJ Maxx. I came in here looking for a pair of black blowfish sneakers. They're so comfortable, and I have them in about 3 other colors. Well, they didn't have any black, but it gave me a chance to walk around the store and take some videos of all the Halloween decor they have. So if you'd like to see some of it, stay tuned. Check out all these hair clips for Halloween. Oh, look at this. It's a crown with skeleton heads. That's what I need since I'm the baking diva. Looks like they have all their Halloween decorations out. Boo-hoo. All kinds of skeletons and pumpkins and witch potions and witch hats and so much more. Well, if you can't find a pumpkin here, I don't think you're gonna find it anywhere. Look at all these awesome pumpkins. Ooh. I'm really excited now. Look what I found. Ray Dunn ceramic cups. $7.99. What's this little ghost? With the hat, that's $9.99, and the pumpkin that says boo. Oh, and look at these, how cute. Mickey and Minnie Mouse cups. Let's see what they are. $12.99 for those. It says hand painted by artisans on it. Cute. More Ray Dunn stuff. They got a lot of Ray Dunn stuff in. This is a dish with a cup and a witch hat. It says Hocus Pocus. Let me see. This is Ray Dunn. This one is $14.99. Some more Ray Dunn goodies up there. There's a picture. It's pink and it says boo. And I'm not sure what this is, but it is cool. It says Hocus Pocus on it. Yep, looks like they got in a supply of some Ray Dunn items. See what else is on here. Oh, look at Hello Kitty. Sitting on a pumpkin. And here's some more Ray Dunn over here. This is for Halloween. Oh, this is for Thanksgiving. It says thankful for you. That's Ray Dunn too. Let me see how much that is. It's only $6.99 and it's very heavy. That would be nice for Thanksgiving. And oh, there's a lot of Hello Kitty bowls. Look at this. Oh, these are like for ramen or whatever. They're all $8.99. Look at this one. It's a pumpkin with a cowboy hat on. Here's the creepy part. Skeletons and witch's brew and a book of spell potions. And oh, look at him. He holds your treats. He's creepy. Lots of creepy stuff on this table. Ooh. Look at this spooky night pumpkin. It's black with an embellished spider, and I think it lights up. Looks like they got more Hello Kitties, and these are, I think these are planters. They're $16.99. I think they got a lot of Ray Dunn and Hello Kitty. Here's a Hello Kitty wall clock, marked down from $24.99 to I think it's $13.99. If you're a Hello Kitty fan. There's lots of storage baskets, wicker ones, if you need anything. It looks like for the kids, they have Halloween edition of Legos. These are storage heads. They have big ones and small ones. The big ones are $14.99, and so are the little ones, but you get two. And then the very small ones, you get one for $7.99. This section has a lot of fall decor. Fall and Halloween, but mostly fall. A lot of owls. Pillows. Flowers. Some fabric pumpkins. Look at these. Little decorative acorns. Cute. Oh, there's, I think, is that a turkey? I think. It might be a turkey down there. Pumpkins, pumpkins, and more pumpkins. So many different colors. There's a squirrel there. There's some green pumpkins. Some black. We have some that look like wicker. We have white pumpkins. Cool, lots of owls this year. Here's some ceramic pumpkins. Yep, Martha Stewart's at it again. These are all Martha Stewart pumpkins. She has these ceramic, line of ceramic pumpkins. Not bad though, $5.99. There's some gold ones. Look at that, that's very pretty. Oh, look at those metallic ones back there. Very, very pretty. So many pumpkins, pumpkins, and more pumpkins. I see a pink Hello Kitty up there with a pink witch's hat. Do you see that? Yeah, the top shelf has some pink Halloween decor. Oh yeah, and on the second shelf, all kinds of goodies. Hocus pocus. Oh, look how cute. Little ghost says trick or treat. Oh, these are weird. Look at these skeletons. See no evil, hear no evil, and speak no evil. This is by Martha Stewart. I don't see a price. Let me see. $12.99. It's very heavy. There's some cute things. Oh, look at that skeleton. Ooh. Lots of Halloween things if you're into that. Look at that tall skeleton. Ooh. That's like 4 skeleton heads. Let's see how much this is. Oh my goodness. That is $39.99 for the 4 skeletons. Check out this glittery owl made out of wooden flowers. Oh, it's so pretty with the glitter on it. It's $16.99. You can hang that on your door or your wall. So many fall flowers. Oh, look at that pretty basket with the sunflowers. Oh, how nice. Oh, and look at that wreath. Very pretty. Look at that. So nice. A lot of acorns, all kinds of goodies. More Martha Stewart. This is a big basket. It's made out of ceramic. It's very heavy. And it has sunflowers in it. It's $99.99. It's really lovely. I don't know what kind of flowers they are, but it almost looks like little corn stalks. And those are $16.99, those wreaths. Can't leave the furry friends out. Look at all the toys for all your doggies. Oh, they want to participate in Halloween too, right? Here's another section for the furry friends. Look at that dog up there. There's a pillow, some toys, and on the bottom there I see dog beds. Oh, and here's little bowls with Hello Kitty on them. And this one says wicked cute. Here's some napkins and cups. Oh, these napkins say, don't make me flip my witch switch. Oh, this is cute. It says, stay for a bite, and there's a bite off the corner of the napkin. And that one says, spooky vibes. And then there's some Halloween cups. Here we have runners, table runners. Pretty cool for fall and Halloween. Look at that. Let me see this one. Oh, that's cute with all the pumpkins on it. The one in the front has ghosts. Oh, what's this furry one? Oh my goodness, what is this? That's just black with a furry trim. Pretty cool. Yep, all the table runners. Look at all the fall coffee. Pumpkin spice. Oh yeah. And they have hot chocolate kit. Here it is with pumpkin peeps in it. And oh yeah, pumpkin pretzels and bourbon maple coffee. Everything looks good on these shelves. I'm in the beauty section now, and they have a lot of the Halloween hand soaps. Look at all of them. All in Halloween containers. They threw a few skeletons in here. Woo! Here's a pink ghost shower cap. And this is little ghost blending sponges. Oh my goodness, look at these sets. Comes with makeup brushes, sponges, and a big sequined or bejeweled skeleton head. I guess maybe that's to hold your brushes. And they have it in silver too. Oh my goodness gracious. Of course Ray Dunn has socks too. What doesn't Ray Dunn make now? They have Laura Ashley soft cuddly pajamas. They're short sleeve though, and they have shorts, but they're $14.99 for the set. And then they also have the ones with the pumpkins on them. It looks like they got in a whole lot of Hello Kitty, both clothes and household items. This sweatshirt is $16.99. Anybody into Halloween sheets or their beds or their kids' beds? There's Peanuts. This one has witches' hats. And here's another one. Oh, they all say on them, brushed for extra softness. Ooh. Check this out, a pumpkin cutting board. I think that one's $19.99. Check out all the Betsy Johnson Halloween jewelry. She has the coolest things. Look at that spider necklace and those pumpkin earrings. Woo! Here's a few baking things. Here's a baking bowl with a spatula and cookie cutters. Pink with ghosts and pumpkins. And some sprinkles, and here's little picks. Look at these stress balls. Little pumpkins with witch hats and little dogs. And it says, put a spell on your stress. I think I need one of those. So I hope you enjoyed my little TJ Maxx Halloween tour. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all very soon. Love you. Toodles.